Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain if-else statements. The if-else statement is similar to if statement except the fact that it also provides the block of the code for the false case of the condition to be checked. If the condition provided in the if statement is false, then the else statement will be executed. Hope you understood. I will show you practical example in IntelliJ. In this example, I will show you if and else statements. After a colon, it takes a indented position and it will start after 4 spaces. Started printing. So if statement is true, it will enter into the if block. If it is false, it is enter into the else block. In a block, you can write as many number of statements you can write. Okay, try to run this code. If I enter 5, number is odd. It given a star marks. Sixth statement and seventh statements are in a same indentation level. That's why it is called a block. It is in the else part. So we are saying it is a else block. It is printed. Why? Because number is odd number. So if statement gives a false, so because of it is false, it is entered into the else part of the code. Rerun it. Yes, it is running. What happens if you remove indentation? It is given a error. Why? Because after if statement there must be a else statement. There is no statement to be in between. So what happens if the indentation level is not in the same level? If there is a extra spaces, what happens? It is also gives a error. So I hope you understood. In a block of code, statements to be indented in a same level. This is the same level. This is same level. Here there is a 4 spaces. Here there is a 4 spaces. Here also there is a 4 spaces. I hope you understood. See you in the next session.